frank, straight 151. I got one guy in the back. Of course you're wearing a Tennessee hat. So we're gonna throw some flames on these in a second. Dad, while this is coming up to 700 degrees, you got those removed.
Yep.
We're gonna cut these up. So this is a 7 bone in, what's called a long bone tomahawk ribeye roast.
So
It's
John,
basically a ribeye, but with a long bone.
He is a Georgia fan. That's why he called that a 7 bone in. Is that 7?
Well, there's 3 over there. You already cut it in half.
This is 4. All right, you hold the 3. All right. What?
That's probably the coolest thing that's ever happened. That's pretty awesome.
All right, so the only thing that can trump that is this is full-blood Wagyu beef. We smoked at it